In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the checkout content language in Shopify. This is a fantastic way to customize your store and ensure your checkout process aligns perfectly with your brand's voice and customer expectations. Let's dive right in and explore how you can achieve this step by step. First, we're going to start off by navigating to your Shopify store's admin page. If you're not already there, open up your preferred web browser and head to Shopify's login page. Once you've logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page of your store's admin area. This is essentially your command center, where all the magic happens. Now, take a look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see a button labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that. This button is a gateway to all the fundamental options you can tweak to your heart's content. With the Settings menu now open, you will see a drop-down list. What we want right now is the Checkout tab, so go ahead and find that. Once you've clicked on the Checkout tab, you'll be directed to the Checkout Settings page. This page allows you to customize how your checkout works and looks. However, for today, our focus is on adjusting the language. You'll want to find the option labeled Checkout Language and click on it. This might just sound like an extra click, but it is essential because it gives you access to the language settings present in Shopify. With the Checkout Language tab open, you should now see a button or link labeled Edit Checkout Content. Click on this and it will bring you to various editable fields where you can adjust the language that appears during the checkout process. Here you have the power to change everything from button labels to error messages, ensuring they maintain your brand's tone. As you work your way through these editable fields, remember that clarity is key. The language and phrases you choose should be straightforward and easy for customers to understand. After all, the checkout process is one of the last steps before an order is completed, and you want it to be as seamless as possible. Once you're satisfied with your changes, don't forget to save them before exiting. This step ensures all your hard work is preserved and will reflect in the actual checkout process for your customers. It's these small, thoughtful changes that can significantly enhance the shopping experience on your site. And there you have it. You've successfully customized the checkout content language in your Shopify store. Customizing these details can make a huge difference in how your customers perceive your brand and interact with your store. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Happy selling!